Hi Stampers, I am here to remind you that you only have until tomorrow, Tuesday, to get into the monthly card group. This is the stamps that we're going to be using Gather Together. You do not have to purchase this for your purchase that you make for the monthly. You can purchase anything you want out of the current catalogs, including the new holiday catalog. So the information on this stamp set is Gather Together, and then I have the stamp set, the framelits, and the bundle. But the only thing is, you do have to use the host code. The host code will entitle you to getting 3 card kits. The card kits will be made from the Gather Together stamp set, and I will be putting out a video, so you will see exactly how to do it. Now, this stamp set does have a bundle, or I should say framelits that make it a bundle. But there is the information if you are interested in this one. But like I said, you do need to use that. So each month you will get 3 card packets in the mail. Plus you're going to get an instruction video that I will email to you. Then you will earn $25 in free product after 6 months being in the club. But remember, you must use the hostess code. To place your order, go to www.lisab.stampinup.net. And you have until the 10th to place your order. When you place your order will be sent directly to you. Another benefit for being in the club is you will get all of the current catalogs. So any of the mini catalogs or the big catalogs that come out, you will get those. You are going to love being in this monthly card group. What's more fun than getting stamps in the mail, products in the mail, whatever you choose to order. Plus, you're going to get card kits. You can make them at your own free time. You will have the stamp set available to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. But you are going to love being a part of this monthly card group. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.